Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add WhatsApp on Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password here. Click on this website button below the Squarespace site you want to add WhatsApp on. Now keep this page open and go to this website called commonninja.com. Click on login, then hit sign up, fill in your or sign up with Google. It's simple. Select your Google account, continue, skip these answers or questions. You will be now redirected to your dashboard. Click on create widget, search for WhatsApp, click on create WhatsApp chat. Here fill in your phone number, go to the chat tab to edit your contact name, for example Ben. You can also upload an contact image. Click on upload file. I don't think I have a photo of mine on this computer. I will see if I can edit this photo. Click on edit image. I will go save and copy. Now select this photo and click on use media. Now your photo is updated. Okay, now how to embed this? Click on this code icon. First, I need to save my widget. Give it a name, for example, Squarespace WhatsApp button. Click create a new project, call it Squarespace, and save changes. Now that your project is created and saved successfully, click again on this code icon, select this code, copy it, and go back to your Squarespace site and go to pages. Select the page you want to add your WhatsApp on. Let's add it on this contact page. Click on this edit button from the top. Then, now that you're in the editing mode, click on this add block button. Look for code and select it. Place it where you want. Click on this little pen. Replace the existing HTML code with the one from commonninja.com and close this window just like that. Click on save from the corner, then exit to go into the preview mode. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. And this is your WhatsApp button on Squarespace. Click to start chat. And this is how to add WhatsApp on Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.